I ate junk food for a week and lost weight. Here's how. You don't need to give up your favorite junk foods. You just need to replace them with healthy options. Today I'm showing you 10 simple food swaps that cut calories, reduce cravings, boost energy, and simple ways to prepare these healthy food options. 10 healthy swaps for junk food lovers. 1. Instead of potato chips, eat roasted chickpeas. Craving something crispy, salty, crunchy? Instead of going for chips fried in seed oils, try roasted chickpeas. Why it works. High protein, high fiber, zero unhealthy oils, keeps you full longer. Add salt, paprika, chilies, tastes better than chips. 2. Instead of ice cream, right pointing arrow, make frozen banana ice cream. If you love ice cream but don't want the sugar, dyes, and stabilizers, blend 1 frozen banana, a splash of milk or yogurt, a little honey. It becomes creamy, sweet, and shockingly delicious. 3. Instead of soda, try lemon sparkling water. Soda gives you sugar chemicals cravings. Instead, drink sparkling water with lemon or berries. Why it works. Same fizzy feeling. No sugar crash. Hydrates your body. Add mint or cucumber to make it feel premium. 4. Instead of white bread, choose whole grain or sourdough. White bread spikes your blood sugar like crazy. Whole grain or sourdough keeps you full longer and tastes better. Benefits. More fiber, more nutrients, better for digestion. 5. Instead of pizza, fast food, tortilla pizza. Fast food pizza equals flour, sugar, seed oils, processed cheese. But tortilla pizza gives you the flavor without the junk. How to make. 1. Whole wheat tortilla. 2. Add tomato sauce. 3. Add cheese veggies. 4. Bake 5-7 minutes. Crispy, light, satisfying. 6. Instead of candy, eat dark chocolate, 70%. Candy is pure sugar and chemical colors. Dark chocolate gives you sweetness, antioxidants. Benefits. Helps mood, reduces cravings, less sugar, rich taste. Eat 1-2 squares daily. 7. Instead of fried snacks, use an air fryer. Do you love samosas, pakoras, fries, and nuggets? These fried snacks are unhealthy. Air fry them instead of deep frying. Why it works. 70-90% less oil. Same crunch, much healthier. Air fryers help to prepare healthy foods for you. 8. Instead of ketchup, use homemade sauce. Store-bought ketchup is a sugar bomb and is also included with many chemicals. Make your own using tomato paste, water, lemon, spices, a drop of honey. It tastes cleaner and fresher. 9. Instead of sugary breakfast cereal, overnight oats. Cereal gives quick energy and then a quick crash due to sugar contents. Overnight oats give long-lasting fuel for your body. To prepare this, you may mix oats, yogurt or milk, fruit, nuts, honey. Put it in the fridge overnight and enjoy at morning with this healthy diet. 10. Instead of fast food burgers, we'll make your own 5-minute protein burger. Fast food burgers use processed meat, sugar sauces, and seed oils. These all are unhealthy. Make your own burger at home with 1 egg, 1 chicken or beef patty, lettuce, tomato, whole grain bun. This can be prepared in 5 minutes. This tastes like a real burger, not a factory-made one. Final words. You don't need to give up your favorite taste. You just need smarter replacements that still satisfy your cravings without damaging your body. Start with 2 or 3 of these swaps daily and you'll see more energy, less bloating, fewer cravings, natural weight loss.